I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lotus Biscuits. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. You'll need flour, sugar, and those distinctive spices like cinnamon and ginger. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy creaming. Having everything prepped makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now let's prepare the dough. Begin by creaming together your butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, slowly incorporate your dry ingredients, mixing until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Once combined, wrap the dough tightly and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy handling. With your chilled dough, it's time to shape and bake. Roll the dough out evenly to a consistent thickness, ideally about 1/8 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutter to create the biscuit shapes. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, carefully transfer your Lotus biscuits to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. This ensures they become crisp and firm. For optimal freshness, store the cooled biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature. They are perfect to enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea, or simply as a delightful treat. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.